Alright, so what's going on? What's going on, man? Today I'm gonna show you how you can basically create a scam page to spam SMS or email, whatever you like. I prefer SMS personally, but hey, it's me. Um, yeah. So what you basically need is a C panel. Okay, C panel is this thing right here. I'm using a lab host. You can also use a one called Friclo. I'm not particularly familiar with it, but hey, I use lab host. This shit is expensive, so you gotta have some bit. Yeah, basically they got two membership, right? They got a regular one. Fuck this one, okay? You want the upgraded one with the lab rats. This shit is 250 USD a month. You gotta pay in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you prefer. Alright, so when the shit is good, right? You go to labhost.ru, you create an account, right? Once your account is created, you gotta just go to membership and pay for the most expensive one, right? Like I told you, 250 USD. After that, come here, go to setup, right? This is where you're gonna create your scam page. You can have different servers, okay? You can have different servers. Maybe you can spam on one, you can spam, I don't know, but you can spam fools. On another one, you can spam logs. The method you can use, I don't know, Canada Post, just a interact transfer, Fido, bed, whatever you prefer, man. So when you got an account, what you're basically gonna need to do is go to this site right here, okay? You're gonna need a VPS. A VPS is a virtual private server, okay? This is the thing that okay. So this is the thing that take your cPanel and host it on the internet, so people can click on your domain and they go on your website, right? If you feel me. So yeah. Basically, you're gonna create an account here, and you're gonna go to VPS, right? You want a KVM, okay? You don't want a SSD. You need a KVM, right? You can get the 8.4, like you just get like one for 15 USD, and you're gonna be cool. You're gonna be cool, right? So when you got this shit set up, okay? When you bought this shit right there, you want to go to Namecheap, okay? Namecheap. You want to get a domain related to what you're gonna do, okay? If you spam Canada Post trying to find something related or close to Canada Post, and a little trick, use dot online. These are the cheapest you can basically find. So they're like a buck or something. I check out, they're like 34 bucks. And if you want to buy this, right, this is with crypto too. You can go into your account and you can fund your account. Just fund $5 USD, right? You're gonna have enough for one domain. Yeah, and you're gonna pay crypto too with prohoster.info. You're gonna pay with crypto too. So yeah, you pay with crypto for your VPS, for your domain, and for your seed panel, right? So yeah, so when you got your VPS and your domain, you gotta set it up. If you have questions, just hit me on my Telegram. But yeah, you're gonna come here, right? You're gonna go to setup, click the little thing right here, and then this page will pop up. You gotta click setup, right? Click your country. They got Canada, United States, UK, and international. I use Canada. And yeah, you can do banks, right? You can choose your banks. You see, they got all the banks. You can choose fools. You can get fools via, spamming Canada Bus, Rogers, Taylor's, Fido, Bear, Optimum, Amazon, Uber, Netflix, Costco, or you can also do Interact. And I started off with Interact. Interact is good to start. Just this one right here. And extras, yeah, I don't really fuck with that. I don't know what those are, but yeah, CVV are cool. So yeah, just bail, and then yeah, you do that shit right here, and then boom. Operating system. This is gonna be this is basically gonna be the setting in your VPS. Okay, so in your VPS, when you set it up, you can choose an operating system. Use Ubuntu. Okay? Use Ubuntu like 18 here. Just click there in the VPS. Use Ubuntu 18. IP address, when you have your VPS, you're gonna be given a IP address, right? You put that shit right there. Port usually is 22. Username usually is a root. So this is gonna be the username and password, so they can access your virtual private server, right? Your VPS. So password, you're gonna find this when you bought your server and it was ordered and it came and it took like 30 minutes. You're gonna have this. And there's like two passwords. It can be confusing. Take the one higher. Okay, not the user password, the just password, like not a little bit higher. This is gonna be the right password right there. So I use mobile device only. You can do both, but I think it's better to just do mobile device. You don't really want to get people on desktop. And yeah, so in yeah here in your capture settings, always yes, because you're gonna block bots. Okay, type I use re. Re is good. You want to use the new one, okay? And then you're gonna click here, and then it's gonna ask you. Oh, hold on, let's just do it. Ah, cool. Here, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, here, you're gonna use the recapture version 2 in this invincible, okay? And domain, right? Domain, you gotta use the domain that you bought from Namecheap. And the Namecheap, basically in Namecheap, your domain, you're gonna have to redirect your domain to your VPS, okay? And then after that, you're gonna connect your lab host with your VPS, and then all three are gonna be connected together. You're gonna have your cPanel hosted with your domain connected, okay? So yeah, you gotta put your domain right here, and then accept, and then you just click submit, and then they're gonna give you like two keys, and then you just like copy, paste, and like copy and paste. You feel me? Like to get these two keys, you gotta put everything and just submit, right? But hold on, .com, and then accept. I just put whatever, right? Just to show you. Yeah, you see, copy the first one here, and then copy the second one here. Okay, and then after that, you just change the thing that you want to ask here. Your I usually delete this off, and if you want to spam fools, keep those in, but it depends what you're trying to do, right? And then you're just gonna click save, and then yeah, okay. Yeah. Anyways, you're just gonna click save, and then it's gonna create your server, and then you're gonna have a server right here. In setup, you're gonna have your server gonna appear, but at the start it's gonna be like pending, and then started, and then if it's good, it's gonna turn active if you did everything right. And then after that, you're just gonna go here to SSL, and then there's not gonna be a one right here, but you're gonna add one, and then you just type in your domain, then it's gonna be active. So when your page is created and your SSL is configured, right now, all you need to do is start basically sending bulk SMS. If you're trying to learn how, you can always hit me up on my Telegram. I'm gonna have everything below in the description or in the comments.